Namaskar. We are going to learn seascape with the help of palette and knife. We are going to make it in acrylic paints. So let's start.
So material needed is water in a container, eraser, sharpener, pencil, knives of different sizes. If you don't have, you can use these big brushes. These brushes will work. And in our color palette, we have very soothing colors: pink, blue, aquamarine, red, brown, white, lemon yellow, and yellow. And this is blue color, which we'll keep on mixing in white and we'll change the shade. So before starting anything, we'll make a rough drawing. I want to show here some sand. This is the sand area which I will show. Then this is the waves area. The rest will be the sea, and here we can show some other colorful patterns. So let's start. I am taking this knife, and first color is this pink color. That is how we hold the knife and we give the color. If your color is very thin, then you can use some white in it and it will become thick. Also, it will give a better texture. So here we are making this pink sand of Bermudas. Their beaches are so clean, that pristine clean I can say. They are very beautiful and they are very proud of their beaches. So they try to maintain them very clean. No littering is allowed. So sand is almost ready. Now we'll show the water. So for water, I have taken white color. Now I'm mixing little yellow color on the shore. One shade darker of yellow. Now I'm going to take little bit brown color and I'll show some rocks here. We have to wipe the knife. After this, we will start with light blue color. I'm going to mix some dark blue color in it. We have to mix little bit white here to give texture. Taking teal blue color aquamarine and teal blue. After this, I'm going to use this sparkling peacock color. May show little bit red here to make our painting bright. We'll take more white. I'm going to use more titanium white. This time I'm going to use a bigger knife. I'm going to use corallium cube.
These 3D liners. Painting is half done. It's dry till here, and now I'm going to make some changes here. I have used ultramarine color. Next, I'm going to use one blue iridescent, and after this, I'm going to use little bit of purple color, followed by white, and then lemon color. And this is turquoise blue, teal blue, which we call commonly. Now I'm going to use big knife. We normally don't keep on washing the knife like we wash the brushes. So now this part is looking like the sky, and the lower part is the water. like the tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly like, subscribe and share Vandana's art. Thank you. Namaskar.